Hi students, welcome to another video of Smarty Learn. In this video, let's see how to find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 7.3. Let's take the first subdivision here, integral of x divided by 2x minus 3 dx. Now if you see, the degree of the numerator and the denominator is the same. So we are going to perform a long division before we simplify. So let's start with this. So this is going to be x divided by 2x minus 3. So divide x by 2x, you get to have half. So half into 2x is x, minus 3 into 1 by 2 is minus 3 by 2. So if you subtract, actually the x term will vanish. So you will get to have just 3 by 2 as a remainder. Now any of these divisions, you can write the division in the quotient plus remainder by divisor style. So the integration will now get reduced to 1 by 2 plus remainder here in this case is 3 by 2 by 2x minus 3 dx. Now I am going to break this integration into two parts. So it is integral 1 by 2 dx plus integral 3 by 2 by 2x minus 3 dx. In both the cases, I'm going to take the constant outside. So it is 1 by 2 integral dx plus 3 by 2 integral of dx divided by 2x minus 3. In the first case, we can directly perform integration. So the answer will be simply x by 2. In the second case, the denominator, if it is a single variable, we will be able to answer this back. So let's put this in substitution. So t is equal to 2x minus 3. So dt is equal to 2 dx or dx is equal to dt by 2. Now the transformation. So this will be x by 2 plus integral 3 by 2 integral of dx is written as dt by 2 divided by t. So let's simplify this. So this is x by 2 plus 3 by 2. I'm taking this outside 1 by 2. So integral of dt divided by t. Now we can, this is in the standard form of integration. So integral of 1 by x dx is actually log x plus c. So we can apply this here. So this becomes x by 2 plus 3 by 4 log t plus c. Now the t is a temporary variable. We will put back into the original x form. So the final answer is x by 2 plus 3 by 4 log of 2x minus 3 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. Second subdivision, it is integral of x plus 2 divided by 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 dx. So first we are going to do a split the middle term for the denominator. Let's work it out in the rough place. So 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. I'm splitting this as 3x squared plus 6x minus x minus 2 is 0. So take 3x outside. So this will be x plus 2 minus 1 into x plus 2 is 0. So 3x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now I am substituting it in this integration. So the numerator is x plus 2 into dx. Denominator is 3x minus 1 into x plus 2. Now that is in the product form, I am able to strike this out. So the integration is reduced to integral of dx divided by 3x minus 1. If we have this as a single variable, so we will be able to solve it. So let's move the transformation. T is equal to 3x minus 1. So dt is equal to 3 dx or dx is equal to dt divided by 3. So if you put back the changes, so this is going to be integral of dt by 3 by t. I can take the 1 by 3 outside. So it's 1 by 3 dt divided by t. Now this is of the standard format. So directly apply the formula 1 by 3 log t plus c. Since t is a temporary variable we used, we will put back the answer in the original form. So this is 1 by 3 log of 3x minus 1 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.